Welcome to the demo of our AI-powered customer support platform, designed to automate key interactions for service-based businesses, like driving schools. This system handles 4 core workflows: user registration, session rescheduling, cancellation, and feedback across both email and WhatsApp. At the center of this setup is the orchestrator agent, which acts as the first point of contact. It reads incoming messages, understands user intent using a large language model, and then triggers the appropriate workflow agent. Each business function, whether it's registering a new user or rescheduling a class, is handled by a dedicated agent with access to specific process logic and back-end databases. For example, when a user sends an email inquiring about classes, the orchestrator identifies the request and activates the registration agent. The agent collects all necessary information, like contact details, date of birth, and address, verifies it, creates a new user entry, and schedules sessions automatically. The entire flow is managed conversationally, with real-time updates reflected in the admin dashboard. On WhatsApp, the system continues the conversation. If a user wants to reschedule a session, the agent checks trainer availability, offers alternate options if needed, and updates calendars accordingly. It even supports switching trainers if a slot isn't available, demonstrating intelligent business decision-making in real time. In the case of a cancellation request, the platform detects the intent and removes all future sessions from both the user's and trainer's calendars. It can also trigger a refund workflow by integrating with financial data, ensuring minimal manual intervention. Lastly, the feedback agent collects user reviews, performs sentiment analysis, and extracts key insights like service quality or trainer behavior. These responses are stored and can be used for dashboard analytics or service improvements. All communication is handled naturally, thanks to Azure OpenAI's GPT-4, making the experience seamless and human-like. The result is a fast, intelligent, and scalable customer support system that's always available across channels, languages, and user needs.